Today we were looking at the 2025 Buick Enclave Sport Touring all-wheel drive in a white frost exterior. This one comes with a 2.5 liter turbo engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Coming inside of this one, we have our Ebony interior with our 2 front heated seats as well as a heated steering wheel. Coming over here, we have our tri-climate control zone as well as our panoramic sunroof all the way from the front to the back of the vehicle. Also have power adjusting on front and passenger seats, as well as our lovely Bose speakers here on the side around the vehicle. This vehicle also comes equipped with a 30-inch LCD display screen, Super Cruise for hands-free driving per subscription, adaptive cruise control, as well as our lovely auto park assistant here, as well as maps and built-in rear view camera washer. Coming towards the rear of the vehicle here, we have our lovely Bose speakers again all the way around the vehicle. Our 5 retractable seats in the back for any cargo or extra space you may need. Coming over here, we have our lovely controls for the back seats, 2 USB-C charging, and 1 outlet. Coming down here, we have our 20-inch alloy wheels, the glossy black finish. Heading towards the trunk of the vehicle, we have our auto sense tailgate. 1 tap, it'll come straight down. And obviously our retractable seats, all 5 can go down. Just 1 click of the button, and it'll head right down. And that is our 2025 Buick Enclave. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help you find the answers to your questions.